Hello, my name is YULIYA. Today we will learn hip-hop dance tutorial that consists of 4 acts. I will show each movement and slowly explain how it is done. I wish you a good mood and easy learning. We begin to step with our right foot to the right and down. Okay? Bounce. Put our left foot down and turn around with our left side. Again. Bounce. Turn around. Count. 1, 2. Good. Hand. The hand swings from the shoulder and lowers. We shake something off and put it down. The hand can be free. Do it with your hand. Step down and turn around. Ok. Again. 1, 2. Is good. Let's continue. 1, 2. The left foot steps back onto the toe. Arm straight forward, as if they're taking something, but a little back. This will be 3. And we pull the body forward with our arms and come back. It was 2, 3, and forward, 4 back. Only hands. Boom, boom. Okay. Pam, pam, pam. Again, 3 and 4. Connect from the beginning. Super. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Head looking forward. The last time is 1, 2, 3, and 4. To the count of 5, 6. We stand on our toes, bend our knees, make a turn in the other direction. It turned out to be a semicircle. We stood and turned to 5, 6. Super. 2 counts. Hands. Then go in the other direction. 5, 6. Fine. Let's repeat. 5, 6. Okay. Let's connect first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. At 7, we take a step. Arms towards ourselves. Chest forward. Bend in the lower back. 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the count and bend round back, arms forward. And on the count of 8, we squat it down. Put your hands on your legs. Edge your back. Fine, fine, fine. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 down. Super. This is the first 8. Slowly connecting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's see what the head is doing. And 8. Once again. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I repeat it again slowly. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Super. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Super. Boom, boom, boom. И 1. Bounce in the body. Boom. Okay. Swing. Step. Super. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Super. Let's continue. We stayed here. Take a step back with our right foot, grow taller, and put our left foot down. Legs. Boom, boom. 1, 2. Arms and shoulders. Right shoulder with right leg goes up and down, arm back. Left arm with shoulder same with left leg. This is the position of the hands. Fine. Again. 1, 2. Okay. Super. 7, 8. 1, 2. Beautiful face. Smiling. 7, 8. 1, 2. Next, we take the camera. Right hand below, left hand above, and we photograph our face. Boom, turn, boom, right to left. Right to left. 3 and 4. Good. Legs. Right leg, step forward diagonally. Left leg, left diagonal, also forward. Crowd down a little. Okay, right to left along with steps. And 3, 4, take a photo. We connect. 1, 2, 3, 4. The head plays a little. Okay, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's connect first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the right leg goes back. Turn over the right shoulder. Step with the right. Okay. Step with the left. And turn around. Raise the right knee. Super. We stopped. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. 5, 6. Turn. When we step, our hands make such a movement. Super. 3, 4, 5, 6, and turned. Raised our leg, step to the side. Connect. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 and 8. Step with the shoulder. The shoulder one. The other shoulder. Bend your knee. Sit down and raise your right shoulder. So, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 7 and 8 shoulders. Shoulders 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Legs 7 and 8. Step, knee down with shoulders 7 and 8. Super. 7 and 8. You're great. Connecting. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Super. Let's connect first. Step 1 to the right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, make a photo. 4, 5, 6, 7, shoulder, and 8. Super, excellent. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excellent. There will still be 2 8s left, but we learned 2, there are still 2 left. We finished at 7 and 8. Then we move our legs, we raise the left knee and the body towards the leg and step a little forward. The other knee, the body in another diagonal. Okay, 4 such steps, a little forward. Super, super. Hands, okay. 7 and 8. The hands seem to be diving. The hands walk from below on both sides of the leg. Raise the hands up, 1, 2. In the other directions, the hands make 2 crosses, 3, 4. Hands right, left, in front as convenient. 1, 2, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And bounce with the body diagonally. And knee, more. Okay, let's connect. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lift the right knee up. Once again, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, connect from the first. Whew. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super. Fine. Let's connect and continue to teach further. Super. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We continue. We cross our right leg back. Turn around. Crouch down. And grow up. It is simple. 7, 8. Just cross your legs. 1, 2. Turn around. 3, 4. Wheel arms. 5, 6. Down. 7, 8. Jump out. Once again on the legs. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's easier with arms, so we add arms. 7, 8. Arms go down and open through the side. Rises up. Bounce like this. It was 1, 2. At 3, 4, we bend the elbows and hands make a circle around the head. Beautifully. And the arms go down. We sit down. This is 5, 6. Dumping out at 7, 8. And we nod our heads. Let's connect. 7, 8. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can make 1 or 2 heads as you want. Okay. Connecting steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super! I stuck it a little. Don't do that again. Do it again. The last 2 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands left on our feet. And we dance, 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 dance from the very beginning. Great. Life is good. Oh. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will dance a little faster twice. You guys are great. We belong to the whole routine. Let's dance and have fun. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the first 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, dance, dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Ooh. Whew. Great. Last time we will dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. You're super. I'm proud of you. See you soon.